This is our Borewell app. Uh, so this makes every Borewell smart, retrofit way, bringing the automation, the safety, the analytics on the how much water being pumped out, how long it is on, and which part of the day it is on. All the details in a single mobile app. So this is how we show bring the currently the 5 borewells which have been automated. All are live here. So first one is the motor on duration. Like this borewell is today is not on. So if I choose the borewell one, so this borewell one data will come up automatically. Borewell 4 I chose, it is not on today. So borewell 1, so it is getting the data now. So this was on today around what time, around 6:46 to around 7 o'clock. 10 minutes it was, 15 minutes it was on. Similarly we can track every borewell like this, how long it is on in real time. So this is another borewell which is also on today morning. So rest of them are on, and you can remotely turn on and off here itself. No need to visit. And even you can instruct the borewell how long it should be on, which part of the day it should be on, and how much water can be pumped out. All the details can be told to the or configured within the system itself, so that it can take care of itself. So whenever three-phase supply is available and all the current and all the conditions are valid, it will turn on. Otherwise it will turn off the motor if it is single phase, reverse phase, or it is under load or overload. And the second feature is consumption part. It brings each day wise water pumped out for each borewell like this. So you can see each borewell how much data they have pumped out in number of liters day and number of liters. So like this you can track all the borewells in real time. And the third feature is where are these borewells are there. So currently the 5 borewells which are being installed, so you can see all of them live in a geolocation. So we are bringing more information like the three-phase supply uh, and also the single phase current. All that data also will be available during this part actually. And it will bring more AI analytics as well to tell how much water, in-depth water is available. Every time water is on, whether the water is depleting or increasing, that the information also will be made available in the app itself. Thank you.